Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do this really cool video that I promised you guys. A company was nice enough to send me out some passion twist hair, which I'm going to show you guys, give you guys some specs about the hair, and then I'm going to jump right into the giveaway at the end of this video. Don't skip this video. Listen to the entire video if you want to be a part of this giveaway. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be talking about today is this passion twist hair. A company was nice enough to send me out some hair. So I'm going to be keeping one for myself so I can show you guys how to do this hair, how to do passion twist as far as like crochets, or if you want to do passion twist like probably going to do a vote if you guys want to see crochet, or if you guys want to see me do the actual passion twist locks in my hair is kind of like a box braid style, you know what I mean? Just giving you guys some specs about this hair. It's super easy to install. There's no odor whatsoever. There's minimum shedding. It's super bouncy. It's really full. You get 7 packs and there's 22 strands per pack, which is pretty good. The name of the company is called YOUNGTHER. I'm going to put that somewhere up on the screen. That's the name of their Amazon store. They're fairly new, but they do have a lot of good reviews on their hair, which is the only reason why I chose to go ahead and review this hair. So I really back this company up 100%. I'm not getting paid to do this, but the hair that I have is a 1B27, which means it is ombre. I'm going to take the hair out of the packaging and show you guys as well. It's 18 inches long. It's the name of the hair texture is Bohemian Water Wave. It's really pretty, not gonna lie. I'm really excited to try this in my own hair. I never did passion twist braids, never did passion twist. Not braids. I've never done passion twist before ever, so this is going to be really exciting for me to try out. I just have some pictures that I'm going to insert so you guys can see like different styles that you can do with this hair and different ways to install this hair as well. So like I said, they have really good reviews. The hair is extremely high quality to be crochet hair. Here it came in packages like this. I'm just going to open this up so you guys can see the hair. So they're individually wrapped like this. And I got about 14 pieces in each pack, I believe. No, I want to say 7 or 8 pieces in each pack, which is going to be way too much for me, which is why I would love to share with you guys. Let's see. So I'm just taking one out just to show you guys how this looks. And this is my initial review of the hair, you guys. So it's wrapped in a net, which is keeping the hair all together and neat for you guys. And this is what it looks like. It's all connected on this one rope. And it's fairly long. Like this is the length without it being, this is going to be so cute. I can't wait to do this. I've never done this before, but this is going to be so doggone cute. Like this is with it without me stretching it out. And this is with me stretching it out, you guys. This hair is supposed to be 18 inches, but you guys, this is going to come, like with me stretching it, it comes all the way down to my hip. Without me stretching it, it comes to right here. So this is going to be so cute. I'm super excited to try this out. As you guys can see, like it doesn't look super fake or anything like that. I love the ombre. Like look at this, it's super bouncy. This is definitely some hair that I would love to try. And the pack, I really didn't think that this hair was even going to be this long, but it was kind of like folded. But this is going to be some really good hair. I really wasn't anxious about doing this hair until I pulled it out the pack. Now I'm super anxious to do this hair. And yes, like it's so nice. This color is gonna suit me really well. Let me just get up close so you guys can see this hair. Like it is so pretty, super long. It doesn't get thin at the ends whatsoever. And this is with me stretching the hair out. It is so nice. I'm gonna hold it and stretch it. You guys can see how long this is. Like this is going to be really pretty. Let me not tug on it so much. But yeah, this is going to be a really nice hairstyle to do. This is really nice actually. I really wasn't expecting for it to be this nice. And like I said, you get 22 strands per 7 packs. And you get 7 packs for, I believe, $35. I'm going to link their Amazon store and everything. Look how it's bouncing. So I'm going to link their Amazon store below for you guys. I'm going to link below the specs and everything like that for you guys as well. And yes, so now on to the giveaway. I'm going to do this. I'm going to host this giveaway for about a week to 2 weeks. And I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to win some of this hair. I have my pack over here, and I have your pack right here. You guys are going to win 7 packs of this hair. You have some hair clips in here. You guys have some hair trinkets in here as well. And I'm super excited. All you have to do is, number 1, be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, comment down below why you think you should win the hair. And number 3, like the video and share the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to reach out to you either through, leave your emails as well. When you comment down below, leave your email or some type of way for me to contact you guys so I can get this shipped out to you guys. I want to say we can do international this time. So we're going to do international for you guys as well. So definitely don't forget to enter the giveaway. This is a part of my 3K giveaway. I'm going to be doing a giveaway almost once a week for the rest of this month, just some subscriber appreciation. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys for getting me to 3K, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.